In late June 2025, reports from several Arabic-language sources revealed that Iran's defense minister recently traveled to China for critical negotiations aimed at acquiring Chengdu J-10C fighter jets and Chinese AWACS, Airborne Warning and Control System, assets. This move represents a decisive pivot in Iran's military procurement, driven by persistent delays in the delivery of Russian Su-35 jets, a deal that has been stalled despite payments made by Tehran and promises of delivery since early 2023. The J-10C, developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, is a highly capable 4.5-generation multi-role combat aircraft. Outfitted with an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar and advanced cockpit systems, it can carry the long-range PL-15 missile, making it suitable for both air dominance and precision strike missions. Its performance in simulated combat, particularly in Pakistani exercises involving India's Rafale fighters, has given the platform a combat-tested reputation. This aircraft, while not stealth class, offers Iran a modern alternative to its outdated inventory of Cold War-era American fighters such as the F-14 Tomcat, F-5 Tiger, and F-4 Phantom. The J-10C also narrows the gap with regional air forces, though it still falls short of the Israeli Air Force's cutting-edge capabilities. Israel currently flies the F-35 Iadir, F-15 IRAM, and modernized F-16 Isufa, jets that surpass the J-10C in stealth, avionics, and integrated warfare capabilities. However, the PL-15 missile, guided by data from Chinese AWACS aircraft, could threaten non-stealth platforms in contested skies, particularly if Iran deploys them in numbers. Iran's renewed interest in Chinese systems isn't just about fighters. Alongside the J-10C, Tehran is reportedly seeking Chinese AWACS units to improve its aerial command structure and early warning systems. The ability to monitor and coordinate wide-area operations from the air would be a critical multiplier in any potential conflict, particularly in the Persian Gulf and Eastern Mediterranean, where the US and its allies maintain a powerful presence. China and Iran's defense collaboration is rooted in years of discreet but steady exchanges. From surface-to-air missile systems like the HQ-2 and HQ-7 to various drone technologies that have inspired Iran's Shahid and Mohajer UAV lines, Chinese military tech has played a major role in Tehran's self-sufficiency goals. The two countries have also conducted joint naval exercises and shared maritime surveillance tactics, reflecting a deepening strategic alignment. The collapse of the Su-35 deal has not only embarrassed Russia but also raised fundamental doubts in Tehran about the dependability of its traditional defense partner. With its aging air fleet posing a growing liability, Iran's urgency to revamp its aerial warfare capabilities has led it to look eastward. Should the J-10C acquisition go through, it would signify not just an upgrade in hardware, but a major doctrinal shift toward a more agile, networked, and regionally assertive Iranian Air Force. In the broader geopolitical context, a finalized arms deal between Iran and China could alter military calculations across the Middle East. It would be a signal that Iran is deepening its security ties with Beijing, part of a broader pattern of cooperation aimed at counterbalancing US influence in the region. The implications for regional stability, alliance dynamics, and future flashpoints are profound, and potentially destabilizing.